Dry ice blasting is a safe and non-abrasive cleaning process using CO2 pellets to remove contaminants. The Kärcher IB10/8 L2P is a portable machine that produces dry ice on demand. It is versatile and can clean various surfaces in automotive workshops. The process is residue-free and environmentally friendly. However, dry ice blasting can be expensive and less effective for deep cleaning. Safety precautions are necessary due to the risk of frostbite and eye injuries when handling dry ice. Overall, it is a safe and effective cleaning method for automotive workshops with a proper understanding of its limitations. The Geismar Mantis is a battery-powered impact wrench designed for the railway industry. It delivers up to 4,000 Newton-meters of torque and is the most powerful in its class. Its Activion technology reduces noise emissions by up to 75%, making it comfortable to use in noisy environments. The Mantis has a simple 2-speed gearbox, comfortable grip, and comes with accessories. It is versatile and can be used for tasks like unbolting and tightening rail components. The Mantis is a valuable tool for efficient fastener removal and tightening in the railway industry. RIDGID pipe reamers are versatile tools designed for pipe reaming applications. They offer a range of models to suit different needs, including the Model 2S Spiral Ratchet Reamer, Models 2 and 3 Ratchet Reamers, Model 254 Spiral Ratchet Reamer, and 223S/227S Inner-Outer Reamer. These reamers are made from high-quality materials, ensuring durability and long service life. They are easy to use, both by hand and with power drives. Additionally, RIDGID pipe reamers come in various sizes and are backed by a lifetime warranty, providing peace of mind to users. The METALTECH Climb-and-Go motorized system is a versatile and efficient solution for moving scaffolding without descending. It's compatible with METALTECH Baker-type scaffolds and powered by an 18 to 21-volt battery. With a 500-foot battery life, it offers extended operation. Installation is quick and easy, and it features an automatic wheel lock safety system. The joystick control is multi-directional and can be positioned conveniently. It's compact and lighter than a scissor lift, eliminating the need for a freight elevator. Enhance scaffolding operations with the METALTECH Climb-and-Go motorized system. The Laser Tools Oiler with adjustable nozzle is a versatile tool for applying various fluids. It comes in sizes of 125 milliliters, 250 milliliters, and 500 milliliters. Made of durable PEHD plastic, it has an adjustable nozzle for fine mist or stream application and is easy to clean. Ideal for lubricating hinges, chains, and gears, it reaches small, inaccessible areas effectively. The Laser Tools Oiler with adjustable nozzle is a reliable and practical choice for fluid application needs. The Strainrite Pro Crimp is a lightweight, battery-powered crimping tool designed for the agricultural industry. It offers single-handed operation and compatibility with Strainrite crimp sleeves. With 4 crimp sleeve sizes and an LED battery indicator, it ensures consistent and efficient crimping. The tool's benefits include increased productivity, reduced fatigue, improved safety, and portability. The Pro Crimp has a battery life of up to 1,000 crimps per charge and a charging time of 2 hours. Weighing only 0.7 kilograms, it is a valuable tool for fence builders and agricultural workers. The price typically ranges from $150 to $200. The SEALEY SV20 series cordless pressure washer is a lightweight and portable option powered by a 20-volt battery. With a maximum pressure of 320 psi and a 6-meter hose, it offers versatility for various cleaning tasks. It comes with a variety of nozzles and a carrying case for easy storage and transport. While it has the advantage of cordless operation, the battery life may be limited, and it may not be as powerful as some corded models. However, for small area cleaning, it remains a convenient and effective choice. The KuDos battery-operated tool HECC85 is a powerful hydraulic crimper powered by an 18-volt battery. With a maximum pressure of 800 bars, it can easily handle crimping tasks for copper conductors up to 85 square millimeters. The tool is designed with safety features like a pressure relief valve and thermal overload protection. It has a lightweight and compact design for easy portability and long battery life for extended use. While it may be more expensive than some alternatives and not as powerful as corded options, it remains a reliable and durable choice for various applications. The MOTORHEAD 20-volt Ultra Lithium-Ion Cordless Circular Saw is a 6.5 inches saw powered by a 20-volt lithium-ion battery. It offers a maximum cutting depth of 2.25 inches at 90 degrees and 1.65 inches at 45 degrees. The saw includes 2 blades, a framing blade and a finishing blade, along with a laser cutting guide and Lumen Max LED light. It features a metal blade guard for safety. The saw is lightweight, portable, and easy to use, earning positive reviews for its power and convenience. The Flint span messer is a cast iron wood splitter with a lever mechanism for splitting kindling. It is safe to use with a protected knife blade and lightweight design. Use softwood and dry wood for easier splitting, and apply steady force with the lever. Regularly inspect the knife blade for wear. The Flint span messer is less physically demanding, less likely to damage wood, and more portable than an axe or maul. It is a useful and efficient tool for splitting kindling. The Powertech Tech Spot Welder is a portable, battery-powered tool for spot welding and body repair. It welds without gas or electricity using 3.5 mm spot welding tips. It is versatile for spot welds, dent repairs, panel joining, trim restoration, and bracket securing. It is user-friendly and safe, emitting no fumes or sparks. It is not as powerful as gas or electric spot welders and has limited battery life. Other alternatives include the Stark Professional Spot Welder, Deco MMA Arc Welding Machine, and Forney 140 FCI Welder for different welding needs. Sopec Pure Spray is a fast, precise, and mist-free line marking system. It covers 500 meters in just 50 minutes and is 30% cheaper than competitors. The system consists of a paint aerosol can, spray nozzle, and trolley. It is easy to use, provides durable and fade-resistant paint, and works on various surfaces. Available in different colors, it is touch-dry in 11 minutes and comes with a 3-year warranty. For more information, contact Technima. METALTECH Pump Jack portable scaffolding system is made of rugged steel. It is a productive and versatile solution that offers you secure access to all types of projects. The Pump Jack system is easy to operate and is practical for workers who need to travel up and down and from left to right on a wall, perfect for siding, painting, insulation, sheathing, home repairs, and maintenance. The system can easily be transported to other job sites when the job is done. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.